Hey, sup guys, welcome to my channel DJ Kid. In today's video, just wanted to do a quick update, just gonna make it snappy really, just about Bitcoin and what the market's doing at the moment. So currently we can see here, crypto market is trading at $957 billion dollars, and that's down 0.1% in the last 24 hours. So that's the global crypto market cap at the moment, and Bitcoin here pretty much doing nothing, to be honest. So in the last 24 hours hasn't really moved, and it's just stagnated. Same with ETH, not really moved much, and some of the other altcoins here you can see again not really much movement, a few reds in the market, but yes, it's real minimal at the moment. If we take a look at the fear and greed index, so you can see here we're currently trading at extreme fear, which has been the case yesterday, last week, and last month as well. So we haven't really moved from that extreme fear, I guess the extreme fear area within the fear and greed index. So generally, if we were literally just to trade off the fear and greed index, you'd make a lot of money by buying when there's extreme fear and selling when there's extreme greed. So yeah, you could really look at this indicator as a buying opportunity. When there's blood on the streets, that's when you want to be buying. Not financial advice, but just something that I do in terms of a kind of buying strategy. So, you know, definitely when there's reds in the market, extreme fear in the market, that's when I'm looking to load up and DCA into projects that I want to potentially hold long term and get into. So yeah, it's a buying opportunity for me. If we take a look at Bitcoin on the daily here, so I just put in the 50-day moving average. So you can see currently with the 50-day moving average, we're kind of hitting those levels as support and just coming back down. So you can see here we touched the 50-day moving average as support and pretty much bounced back down from there, touched it again, bounced back down. So we're currently trading below the 50-day moving average. Longer term trend is obviously going down, and yeah, we can see that there from the yellow line, and the real kind of low support level is around the 18 odd grand. So you know, if we do drop below that 18k, then we'll end up falling a lot lower, potentially 17 or even 12, like some of the guys are saying on YouTube at the moment as well. But yeah, you know, it's really key that we can break this kind of 50-day moving average. So once we start trading above that, we should hopefully see some upside. But in all honesty, at the moment, you know, with how the market's going and yeah, with all the other factors going on in the world, I think we're probably going to stay below that moving average and potentially even drop lower than what we're trading at the moment. So if we take a look at the MACD as well, so again, normally this gives you a indicator of which way the market momentum is shifting, and there you can see in the last, you know, few days or so, or even over the course of the last few weeks, there's not really been much shift in the momentum. So it's just kind of, it's bearish, bullish, and so on. But even with those, you know, bearish and bullish movements there, the market didn't barely move much. So we're just literally trading within this range. Let me just pull up a come on, where is it? So this kind of, yeah, if I pull this in, we've basically been trading within this range for the last, well, what is that, so back in September, so pretty much for the last month or so, just pretty much bouncing up to 20, going back down to 18, bouncing around that kind of region, and that's all we've kind of been doing at the moment with Bitcoin. So for me, guys, you know, as cheap as Bitcoin is at the moment, $19,000, compare all-time highs of 60,000 or so, I think it was 66,000. You know, this is definitely a great buying opportunity, but I wouldn't really be putting you know, all my money in one go. I'm definitely just looking to DCA at the moment and just kind of get a indicator or some sort of confirmation of which way the market is going to be moving in the shorter term anyways, because at the moment we're just kind of trending up and down within this range. So yeah, that's kind of where my head is at. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys, and hit that like, hit that subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the update, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot.